Nancy with Amen Acres Homestead, and this morning I'm going to teach you how to make your own vanilla. This is some that I made last year, and it's wonderful. What you will need is a cheap bottle of vodka, 3 to 5 vanilla beans, and this is a 6-ounce jelly jar. You will also need a little piece of parchment or wax paper. I made this last year and gave it away to family members, and they loved it. You're also going to need a knife to score the vanilla beans, which I forgot. They smell so good. So you simply take the vanilla beans, which I bought at Mama Jean's, and you just cut a little line down them. And you fit them in the jelly jar. That way all the goodness of the vanilla can get out and work, and the vodka will pull all that out of there, and you'll have the most wonderful flavor. It's so much better than store-bought vanilla. You won't even believe it. They recommend that it sets for 3 to 6 months, but the longer you let it sit, the better it gets. I let mine sit for a year. And they recommend 3 to 5 vanilla beans per 8 ounces of vodka. Now this is a 6-ounce jelly jar, so I only put 3 vanilla beans in it. You put this over the top just to make sure that it doesn't rust, that the vodka doesn't cause your ring or your metal top to rust. And then what you want to do is every time you come into the kitchen for a while, shake it up, put it back down in a nice dark place. Make sure you label it so you know when you made it. Today's the 8th, isn't it? So now this is going to sit there, and I won't use this one until next year, but you can use it as soon as 3 months if you'd like. Thank you so much for stopping by with me on this short video with Amen Acres Homestead. This is Wes and Nancy. Have a wonderful day.